What's going on? It's Nate from Gotham Sound TV. I'm going to show you two ways to sync timecode to your Deity Theos. Because these transmitters can record, it is important to make sure you have timecode so that way all the files generated stay in sync.
The first thing you want to do, whether you're jamming timecode from the Deity TC1 or another timecode generator, is make sure you have the right frame rate selected. The DBTX can sync with 23.98, 24, 25, 29.97, 29.97 drop frame, and 30 FPS timecode. If you have the TC1, all you have to do is make sure both devices have Bluetooth enabled. Then use the scroll wheel on the TC1 to select TC, and then Sync. On your DBTX, make sure your timecode sync options say Auto or Once. On the DBTX and the TC1, the same timecode should be rolling in sync.
If you don't have a Deity TC1, you can stay in sync with another timecode generator.
Like this tentacle sync, all you have to do is plug in the timecode generator into the 3.5mm jack with the included cable. Once this is done, if you go into your timecode menu, the frame rate and the running timecode should change. Another neat feature on this device is selecting your channel/pool. This allows Deity devices in the same pool and within Bluetooth range to have their timecode be controlled as a batch in the Sidus Audio app for Android or iOS.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out Gotham Sound TV for more fundamentals on how to set up your Deity Theos.